In this video, I'm going to show you how to download WhatsApp on a PC or laptop. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser. For this video, I'm going to be utilizing Google Chrome, and all you want to do is you want to look up WhatsApp PC download like this. Then go ahead and select on the first link that appears, which should be from the official WhatsApp.com website. So go ahead and press on that, and then it is going to bring you to a page that looks like this. So all we're going to be doing from here is we're going to go to the top right and then select on this button that says download, just like so. And then there you go. We will now have the WhatsApp installer.exe. Now, depending on what browser you are using, you might get the download over here, or it might be towards the bottom left. But you could always go ahead and find the WhatsApp installer.exe file by opening up the file explorer and then looking under download. So I'm just going to go ahead and just select over here, and it does say download unverified file. So go ahead and just press on download unverified file, just like so. You don't have to worry, this is completely safe. So once you're done with that, go ahead and just click on it like so, and then it should open up something that looks like this. It will check your system requirements, it will check everything, and now it will begin to install on your PC. Alright, and then it is going to go ahead and open up something that looks like this. It will say welcome to WhatsApp, so go ahead and just press on get started. And now we need to go ahead and actually log into WhatsApp using our mobile device. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on the top right and the three buttons like so. So just press on that and then go ahead and select on linked devices just like so. So now all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on link a device. And from here, it is now going to open up the QR code. So let's go ahead and just scan it right over here. And there you go. It is now going to log us in on our PC. And once we're over here, you guys can go ahead and have access to all of your chats and basically every message you have sent. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.